Hey YouTube, it's been a while. Been quite a while, actually. Let's see. Things been going on with my life. We're missing a microwave because it caught fire. See the kitchen, all the stuff right now. Out of cabinets and out of off the counters. If you look outside here, we have the fire extinguisher that I used. Came in handy. This microwave here. Let's see. Can you see that? Yeah. If you look inside the microwave, here's where the damage was done. Not really sure if you're seeing this though. Yeah. And then you got that Chinese food container that pretty much started the fire, and stuff part of the microwave here, and stuff from the fire extinguisher. Can't get that shut now. It's a pretty nice day out here. Still hot. I'm still hungry though. That's the sad thing about it. I'm still hungry and I don't know what to eat. Yeah. Got flies in here now because of the stupid fire. Yeah. Oh, there's a big fan. Yeah, that's what's going on in my life. Maybe I might post another video. I don't know when, but that's, yeah, pretty much it. Peace.